Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths. Click on view all lessons. There you can find the chapter expressions and properties. So here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are factors using distributive property, write equivalent expressions using properties, solve a variable using properties of multiplication, and then properties of addition. Let's start with the first lesson, that is factor using the distributive property. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Factor using distributive property. Okay, here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter name is expressions and properties. And the lesson name is factor using distributive property. Okay, let's start with factor using distributive property. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, factor 28b plus 32. Write your answer as a product with a whole number greater than 1. So you have to do 28b plus 32. Okay, let's just write down the factors of 28 and 32. Got it? Factors of 28 and factors of 32. Factors means the numbers that when multiplied makes 28. Got it? 1 times 28 is 28. Got it? Then you have 2 times 14 is 28. We don't have 28 in the table of 3. And 4 times 7 is 28. 6 times 4 is... No, we don't have any other factors for 28. Got it? Then we have to write down the factors of 32. Yes, here you have 7 times 4. Got it? You can rearrange them. Got it? Like you can write them as 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. You can arrange them in ascending order. Got it? Okay, now you have to write down the factors of 32. Got it? 1 times 32 is 32. Got it? And then 16 times 2 is 32. Mm, and 4 times 8 is 32. Got it? I don't think so. We don't have any other common factors. So you have to look for the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is 4. That means 4 is the greatest number that can divide both 28 and 32. Got it? Okay, take out common 4. 4 times what number is 28? 4 times 7 is 28. And 4 times what number is 32? 4 times 8 is 32. That means that's how we factor the numbers. The greatest common factor for 28 and 32 is 4. So take out common 4 and 4 times divide both the numbers by 4. 4 times 7 is 28 and 4 times 8 is 32. Got it? Either you can add another step that is, we know that 4 is the greatest common number for both the numbers. So divide the both the terms by 4. 28b by 4 and plus 32 by 4. You'll get the same answer. 4 times 7 is 28 and 4 times 8 is 32. That means 4 is common and you have 7b plus 8. Got it? So it would be 4 times 7b plus 8. Got it? That second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 9c plus 21. 9c plus 21. Okay, just write down the factors of 9. If you are perfect with multiplication, then you don't have to write the factors. You already know what number is factor. Like I know 33 is the factor for both the numbers. Got it? You can 1 times 9 is 9 and 3 times 3 is 9. We don't have any other factors for 9. Then 1 times 21 is 21 and 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 is the greatest common number. So divide both the values by 3. 9 by 3 is 3 and 3 times 7 is 21. 3 is that is the 3, that is the common number, and when you take out 3 common, you are left with 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 7 is 21. So that would be 3 times 3c plus 7. Got it, everyone? Is there any problem? Please write a question in the chat box if you have any, or if you already know the answers, you can just write the answers in the chat box. Got it? Your participation is highly appreciated. Okay, the next one is 20u plus 50. So which is the correct option? 20u plus 50. So the greatest common number for both the numbers is 10. Got it? Either you can write the factors and you can find, or because I am perfect with multiplication, so I know. Got it? So you can write down the factors like I did for the questions earlier. So 10 times, very good. 10 times 2 is 20. So here you have 2u and 10 times 5 is 50. Very good. That would be 10 times 2u plus 5. So just select the correct option. That is the first one. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, the next one is 35r plus 63. Okay, which is the common number? 7. Got it? Because 7 times 5 is 35 and 7 times 9 is 6. So you take out common 7. So divide 35 by 7. So it would be 7 times 5 is 35. Then you have 63 by 7. So 7 times 9 is 63. So it would be 5r and plus 7 times 9 is 36. So it would be 7 times 5r plus 9. Very good. So correct. Select the correct option, then click on the last one is the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 18v plus 15. So which is the correct option? Which is a common number that can divide 18 and 15? That would be 3 is the common number. Got it? So 3 times 6 is 18 and 3 times 5 is 15. So the correct option is the second one. 3 times 6v plus 5. The second option is the correct one. Yes, very good. 4. No, you cannot divide 18 and 15 by 4, isn't it? Yes, 3 is the common one. Very good. 3 is the greatest common factor for both the numbers. Got it? Good. Okay, the next one is 42c plus 54. So 6, I think. Yes, 6 times 7 is 42 and 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, no problem. Okay, for the 42c plus 54, which is the correct option? The first one, because 6 is the greatest common factor for both the number. Got it? So it would be 6 times 7 is 42 and 6 times 9 is 54. Got it? So the correct option is 6 times 7c plus 9. Got it? The first option is the Correct one. Got it, everyone? 9 of the students are listening to me, but just one of them is answering. Why? If you have any problem, you can write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Got it? So, and if you know the answers, please write the answers in the chat box. Okay, the next one is 49u plus 28. So which of the option is the correct one? Which number is common? Which is the greatest common factor for both the numbers 49 and 28? 49u plus 28. 7 is the greatest common factor. Got it? 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 4 is 28. So that would be 7 times 7u plus 4. Very good. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next topic. Got it? If you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is write equivalent expressions using properties. Right? Equivalent equivalent expressions using properties. Okay, let's start with the next lesson, that is write equivalent expressions using properties. Okay, okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, w plus 5 plus 2. You have to apply the different properties. Got it? Got it? Let me just, I forgot the property's name. Let me just read the property's name we have to apply. Sorry. Here is the topic. Right, equivalent expressions using properties. Okay, yes, we have to apply the commutative property. Okay, let's start with the example 1 plus p plus 1. Let's do this example 1 plus p plus 1. Got it? So first of all, we're going to apply the property, that is the commutative property. Got it? The commutative property means the order doesn't matter in what order you write the numbers. Got it? In addition, you have to do 1 p plus 1 plus 1. Got it? So you have to do add the 1 and 1 is add the like properties, you have to collect them. It would be plus 2. Got it? So just go through once the names of the properties. Got it? Commutative and associative property we are mostly using. Okay, yes, for this one it is then w plus 5 plus 2. That is the commutative property we apply. Got it? Then you have to add 5 plus 2, that is the associative property. It would be w plus 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 are the like terms, you have to collect them, so it would be w plus 7. Got it, everyone? It would be w plus 7. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. I know you already know how to solve these expressions, but the thing you have to understand here is you must know what properties you are applying on these expressions to solve them. Got it? Okay, so the second one is h plus 2 plus 3. Let me see. Okay, so First of all, we have to remove the bracket. So it would be h plus 2 plus 3. That is the commutative property. Got it? In commutative property, we know that the order doesn't matter in case of addition. Either you write 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. Both of them have the same answer. Got it? So it would be then h plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 are the like terms. That is the associative property where three of the terms are expressions are involved. So it is then h plus 3 plus 2 is 5. So it is h plus 5. Got it? You must know the names of the properties. Keep them in your mind. They are the commutative property and associative property we're applying here. Got it? Okay, simplify the expression 2 plus t plus 1. So which option is the correct one? Very good. That would be t plus 3. 2 and 1 are the like terms. Just collect the like terms. So it would be t plus 3. Got it? Okay, then the next one is t plus 1 plus 6. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to collect the like terms. Which of the option is the correct one? Yes, very good. You have to collect the like term. So it would be then t plus 7. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, 3 plus 2 plus b. So which of the option is the correct one? You have to collect the like terms. 3 and 2 are the like terms. So just add them. It would be 3 plus t b plus 5. Got it? 3 plus 2 is 5. So it would be b plus 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, simplify the expressions. You have to do 2 plus r plus 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be r plus 4. Just collect the like terms. 2 and 2 makes 4. So it would be r plus 4. Got it? Okay, simplify the expression 2 plus g plus 4. So it would be 4 plus 2 is 6. So it would be g plus 6. Got it? 2 plus k plus 5 equals, it would be k plus 7. Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is, let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is Solve for a variable using properties of multiplication. Solve for a variable using properties of multiplication. Okay, here I am on the lesson solve for a variable using properties of multiplication. So let's just start with the test. Okay, type the missing number. You have to we have to use the properties of multiplication. So that is the commutative property of the multiplication. That means a times b equals, let me write down the name and explain. That is the commutative property of multiplication. That is a times b equal b times a. That means both on both the sides the numbers are if same and the order doesn't matter. Got it? If you do 4 times 5 or 5 times 4, both of the number have same answers, it would be 20. So that means the order in case of multiplication doesn't matter. Got it? If you do 5 times 4 or 4 times 4, the answer is exactly same. So you have both sides. 841 is equal. That means the other missing number is 288. Got it? So here is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what value of W makes the multiplication sentence true? That is, whenever you have three of the numbers involved, that is the associative property. Got it? Associative property of multiplication. Got it? It would be A times B times C, or either you do A times B times C. That is exactly the same thing. The order doesn't matter. But if you have involved three numbers in the property, that means that is the associative property, where both the sides the numbers must be same. Got it? So this is actually the associative property. So both sides must have the same numbers. So then the missing number is, which number is missing? It will be 254. Got it? Because both sides have 270, both sides have 146, and on the one side you have 254 and other side it is missing. So the missing is 254. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, type the missing number. You have to use the multiplication properties of multiplication. Got it? That is 786 times 0. It is 0. That is the multiplicative inverse. Got it? No, not multiplicative inverse. I forgot the property name. Let me check which property is it. Yes, it is zero property. Got it? Zero property means multiplying any number to zero answers zero. That the property name is, it is the zero property. Got it? Any number multiplying zero equals zero. Got it? Please remember the name of the properties also, because the important thing here is the properties. Got it? Okay. Type the missing number. 491 equals 491 times what number? That is mm, the property name here is mm, identity property. Got it? Identity property means any number multiplying by 1 equals 1. Sorry, yes, the same number. Identity property. Identity property means identity is 1. Got it? 1 multiplied by any number equals the same number. Got it? It doesn't matter what number is it, 1000, 10,000, 4,000. The number is exactly the same number. 4,000 is, it is. No, no, not 1. 1 multiplied by any number equals the same number. Got it? That is identity. Yes, the missing number here is 1. Got it, got it. You're writing the answer. Yes. 4100 491 times 1 is 1. 491. Okay, what value of z makes the multiplication sentence true? That is the commutative property. So which number is missing? 872 is missing because on the both sides the number must be same. Okay, type the missing number. So which number is missing here? Here you have involved three of the numbers, so that would be the associative property. Got it? So which number is missing? Yes, the missing number is 400. That is the associative property. Got it? Three of the numbers are involved. So that is the associative property. The missing number is 400. Got it? Okay, type the missing number. What number times 1 equal 493? That is the identity property. Got it? Yes, it is 493. Okay, type the missing number. That is the distributive property. Got it? Let me just explain. That is the distributive property of multiplication over addition, subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, it looks like this. Mm, A times B minus C. Got it? So it is then you have to multiply A times B, and then minus you have to do A times C. Got it? Not this one. You have to do A times B and minus A times C. That is the multiplicative distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Got it? So it would be A times B. So the missing number is 918. Got it? 918 times 603 and subtract 975 times 603. So the missing number is 918. Got it? Very good. Okay. 945 times 0 is any number multiplying 0 is 0. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, y times 746 equals, yes, it is 0. You just have to keep the names of the properties in mind. That's it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is properties of addition. You have the same properties for addition. Got it? Commutative property, associative property, we did this lesson in the last week, the last session. Properties of addition. You have just 2 3 examples. We don't have test last time we did. Okay, which property of addition is shown? The addition has the same properties, the commutative property, where two of the numbers involved. That means in the case of addition, order doesn't matter. If you do through 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, in the both cases answer is exactly 4. Got it? So the one shown in the question is 9 plus 1 plus 3 equals 9 plus 1 plus 3. Both sides the numbers are exactly same, just order is different. So this is known as the associative property. Got it? Okay, the next one is which property is shown? 0 equals u plus 0. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, you have the same number as the answer. Got it? So it would be the 0 property. Got it? That means adding 0 does not change the sum. Then you have, again, that is the 0 properties. Adding 0 does not change the sum. It has the same number. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, which property of addition is shown? K plus 0 equals k. Is it associative, commutative, or identity? Which property it is? Which property it is? Commutative property involves two numbers. On both sides, the numbers must be same. The associative property involves three numbers, and on both sides, the numbers must be same. So this is the identity. Got it? Adding 0 to any number is the identity. Very good. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Associative, commutative, or identity? Which option is it? This is the commutative property. Got it? Whenever two numbers are involved and on both sides the numbers are exactly same, that is the commutative property. Got it? Because in the case of addition, order doesn't matter. If you do 9 plus 3 or 3 plus 9, that would be same answer, 12. Got it? It is the commutative property. Option number B is the correct one, not C. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the yes. Okay. Okay, it's okay. C means commutative. Got it. I thought that's option C. Okay. Which property of addition is shown? S plus T plus U equals S plus T plus U. It's just a grouping here. Three of the numbers are involved, and order doesn't matter if you group S plus T first and add them, or group T plus U. In the both cases the answer is same. If the number is, yes, that is the associative property. Whenever three of the numbers are involved, the numbers are same on the both sides, it is the associative property. Got it? Okay, which property is shown? Communication. Commutative it is, not the communication. Yes, that is the associative property. You have three of the numbers involved. On the both sides, the number are same. This is the co- associative property. Got it? Yes, association. Good. Which equation shows the identity property of addition? Which one is it? Okay, so which is the identity property of addition? It is 6 equals 6 plus 0. That is, please focus on the lesson I am discussing. It's okay if he typed communication. It is 6 equals 6 plus 0. What equation shows the commutative property of addition? Which one is commutative? Please focus on the lesson. Which option is the correct one? Yes, it is 1 plus 6 equals. Oh, okay, it's okay. 1 plus 6 equals 6 plus 1. Okay, which property of addition is shown? Which property is it? Yes, three of the numbers are involved, so it would be the associative property. Got it? Which equation shows the identity property of addition? That is the last one. That is the identity property of addition. Got it? Very good. Okay, which equation shows the associative property of addition? Which one is it? One, two, three. Which option is the correct one? The second one is the associative property, yes, because here you have three of the numbers involved. So on the both sides, the numbers are exactly same. So that is the associative property. Got it? Okay, which equation shows the identity of addition? Identity property of addition. Which one is it? It is the option number 3. It is. Got it? N equals 0 plus n. That would be the identity property. Got it? Yes, very good. Okay, that's all for today. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the chapter expressions and properties. The lesson names are factor using distributive property, write equivalent expressions using properties, solve a variable using properties of multiplication, and then properties. If you have any problem, any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. If you have any, please write the question in the chat box if you have any question. Who is laughing? Any question? Okay, you have to complete the test for all the lessons we did today before the next session. If you have any problem with any of the question, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Lagging, that is because of your internet connection. Got it? So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video if you find this session helpful for you. Got it? So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Bye, everyone.